Hello everyone, today Alsing is trying out a birdie muffin that I made for her today, and she's really enjoying it. I've added seeds to the mix and she is foraging. I've also added some pellets and vegetables and lots of good stuff. This is a very nutritious bird muffin, actually, except for the seeds, of course. But it's just a treat for her, and I only give it to her once a week. And she actually really enjoys her sprouts as well, and her vegetables. Another thing she really enjoys is the iPad, but she's enjoying this muffin even more, which is very surprising. Usually when she notices the iPad, she has to fly on it, and she has to look at it and pretend she's a human. Don't lose that muffin, Alsing. She also doesn't care about the fact that the muffin doesn't even look that cool. Didn't rise very much, but at least it's healthy. Hey, Elsie, want to cuddle and eat? Hey, cuddles, cuddles. She's too busy with that muffin.